Meaning of investment banker.
Investment banker.
Investment banker.
Investment banker.
Investment banker. An investment banker is a financial professional who helps companies and governments raise money by underwriting and selling securities, such as stocks and bonds. Investment bankers also provide advice on mergers and acquisitions, corporate finance, and other strategic financial issues. They work closely with clients to analyze their financial needs, evaluate potential risks and rewards, and structure deals that meet their specific goals. Investment bankers typically work for large financial institutions such as banks, brokerages, or investment firms, and they are highly skilled in financial analysis, modeling, and complex financial calculations.